Alright, you guys, we're at this little reservoir 26 or 29, can't remember.
State Forest.
Green Sullivan State Forest.
Lots of fish down there, but they're deep. Hot. Going in there to get away from the heat.
Yeah, it's saying it's 23 feet and the water temp is 83. That's crazy.
They're going down under that brush. That's all brush. They're under it all, hiding.
Where'd he go? Oh man. I had two on already, but they both of them have jumped off before I got them in. One got me stuck underneath the log. So there's a lot of trees out through here.
Yeah, it's crazy looking at here. Yeah. He's a little fighter. Look at him. Here he comes. Here. Oh, no.
Oh, under the boat. Okay.
Wow, these are really pretty looking bass. Wow.
Literally not even 2 minutes later.
Look at his markings. You know?
Yeah.
He's got his own look. Usually the markings stop there. He's really cool looking. Here it's flapping against my skin. A little bluegill right there in the water.
Where? Oh, I see it.
That's how pretty this water is.
I can see it on my camera. Scared something's gonna come up and bite me.
So that's like brush, right? And these could be fish. There's my bait dropping, see it?
Mm-hmm.
And this could be fish down here. And I let my bait fall to the bottom.
That's crazy. It's a 17 feet.
And I can pop it up. I need to cast a little farther. You can't really see my bait now.
Oh.
I see it coming up.
Yeah. Oh, you can literally only see me in the shadow. That's crazy.
Standing all the way at the shore.
Okay, so oh, I see how this little mechanism works. The hook.
Yep.
When they bite it, it pushes it in. First actual catch of the day.
Very cool looking bass.
It looks like the same one you caught almost.
Yeah.
Oh! See you later. What was that?
Part of him.
What?
Yeah, look, that's not part of my bait or anything.
Yeah, that was
something he ate earlier. He's been caught before. Oh, he's waiting. Just dropping mine right here to see if there's another one on board. We got to the right of it too. We got a whole drop off.
Whew.
It's very
Toasty
cool
under
lake.
there.
It's a very cool lake with the drop offs and stuff. Very see? Anyone right there?
Is the top kind of?
So that's why when I go.
Don't wait. As soon as it hit the water, dude. Oh, he got off.
No
With me getting
way.
wrapped
I
up.
saw it though.
You seen the fish?
Yeah.
That was sick.
I got it on video.
Get over there. Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, he hit me right over here. Impressive. He got off right there.
Oh my gosh. I did see it. How did he just get off like that?
I didn't set my hook crazy hard on him too. I was honestly watching the live script. My rod's turning. Is he still on there? Yeah, you ready?
Is that the same one?
I think so. He took me all the way back into the lily pads.
That's crazy.
Don't jump, don't jump.
Oh! Little splash. What?
He hooked himself bad. When it's just hot like this, they're not really supposed to be biting top water.
Yeah, and it is hot.
Just be a cool bite.
Yeah.
It doesn't be a cold night.
That was gnarly. That was gnarly.
You
I
got
love the
another
way
one.
these fish are like darker, a little bit more spots and stuff here.
Yeah.
Tiny, but they are fun to catch.
See you later, alligator.
Look.
Yeah.
Barely. I thought he was.
Looked a little bigger. Yay. Oh! Okay.
They are pretty bass though here.
Yeah.
Like his colors are really neat looking.
He's just laying there, and I'm just recording.
6'7".
Huh?
Have you seen that? They go 6'7", 6'7". Whenever they move their fins and they video them, the little kids.
No.
I seen a video of it the other day. We were just driving the trolling motor down here, and I just look in front of me and I see 15. I mean, of course they're little. I seen 15 of these bass swimming, like 10 or 15 of them. And I just stopped the boat and threw my bait in front of it, and the guy bit it. Pretty cool. Ow. That's so neat.
We're back in this little cove
Just see them
now.
all traveling together like that. Playing them on this worm.
Oh! Wow.
He's got something in his tummy. You can see he ate something in there.
Oh! Oh!
Even squeezing hard so he wouldn't
Goodbye.
fall out.
Oh, please. I got you, sir. Can I let him back in?
Yeah. Caught him on this brush right here.
Over there. What's he doing? Oh. Another one is crazy.
Sorry, buddy.
Over it. He got yet another one. This is literally like 15 fish.
Yeah, it is. Do you want to take your hook off and put on this stuff real quick?
Oh! That's crazy.
So they're all just literally the same exact size.
Yeah. Got another one. Oh, the hook is right there.
Oof.
Sorry.
Oh no.
That hurt me. We're just about to leave, and I caught one right before we left, so yay!
This is a rough road, y'all.
Play some tunes, play some tunes.
I gotta get us where we going first. So I ain't got a clue.
This boy
I
got
ain't
bass
no
thumb.
service.
This boy got bass thumb out the wazoo. Let me see. Oh my gosh, he got like 30 bass today. We had a wonderful time.
Duggars to the right.
Oh, for you, I would have done whatever. And I just can't believe we ain't together. And I wanna play it cool, 'cause I'm losing you. I buy you anything so loud.